Hey guys, welcome to box break number 11. This is our first ever box of 11-12 Black Diamond. These boxes have 24 packs, I think, plus a bonus pack, or 23 plus a bonus pack. So it's going to be a little longer than usual, so I'm just going to get right into it and try and speed through. There are some packs that show up that are just base packs, so we'll try to get going here and make this video somewhat sensible. You guys can see that number on there, 95641933. 933. Maybe we can pull some Ryan Nugent-Hopkins mojo for someone tonight. But guys, we're good. Take this bonus pack and leave it here for later. So there's yeah, so there's 25 packs, including the bonus pack. So I'm gonna shut up and start ripping them open. Rookie gem triple diamond for the Ottawa Senators, Eric Condra. Base pack. Base. Oh, nice. Quad diamond rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele, in a Jets jersey. I like that. Sick of seeing those guys in the Thrashers jerseys. Pack. Base pack. Triple diamond rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Ben Scrivens. Triple diamond for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Pack number 8, third of the way through. Dual jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. Base pack. Oh, nice. Hardware Heroes for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jaromir Jagr. And he's wearing a Pittsburgh jersey on the front. He's wearing a Pittsburgh jersey on the back. This is number 27 out of 100. It's die cut, and it also has the acetate in the middle there. Very nice card for the Pittsburgh Penguins. First one of those I've seen this year. And actually, I'm just going to mention the trophy there. I think that is the Ted Lindsay trophy on there. So, nice. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. Oh, almost. I got excited for a second. Triple diamond rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Timo Hartikainen. For the Edmonton Oilers. Base back there. Base back. Quad diamond rookie gem for the Chicago Blackhawks, Marcus Kruger. Chicago there. I'm just going to organize these base cards because they're getting out of control here. Right. Oh snap, that is a nice card. It is a quad diamond Ruby Parallel out of 100 for Steven Stamkos, numbered 19 out of 100, which is his number 91 backwards. And it does show Tampa on the back. He's actually wearing an All-Star jersey on the front. Sorry, All-Star jersey on the front there. So that's nice. I pulled a Ruby Parallel the other night of my own, but it was only a single diamond. I haven't seen a quad diamond one yet. So that's a nice hit there for the Tampa Bay Lightning. As I mentioned before, guys, these triple diamond cards, they're just base cards. The double diamond cards, they're all base cards. I will not be sending those out. I'll just be sending out the diamond cards that are inserts. If you would like the base cards for your team that you purchased, like I mentioned, it'll be a few dollars for shipping because they're not free to ship out. Another Ruby Parallel out of 100. This is number 15 out of 100 for Ryan Smith. And now he's wearing the Kings jersey on the front, but on the back clearly shows the Edmonton Oilers. So it'll be for the Edmonton Oilers. Still looking for an autograph in here. Four packs to go, including the one I have in my hand here. Triple diamond rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening. For the Montreal Canadiens, dual jersey of Andre Kostitsyn. I don't know if you can see it on there, guys. There was like a quarter of the Montreal Canadian logos. These dual jersey cards are almost like puzzle pieces, so you get one that goes up here, you know, kind of completes the Montreal Canadiens logo. So that's kind of unique for the set this year. Base pack. Oh, nice. Number 1 of 10. A gold parallel, which is kind of just the same card we just pulled, only it was a ruby just now, a minute ago. This is Ryan Smith again. He's wearing his Kings jersey there. On the back, it is an Oilers logo, numbered 1 of 10 for the Edmonton Oilers. So that's nice. I guess we have not seen an autograph. Maybe it'll be in the bonus pack. I know there's a rookie in here for sure, but they don't guarantee a autograph, so maybe there's not one in there. This is premiere for the Ottawa Senators, Eric Condra, 1733 out of 1999. So I'll just go ahead and review the hits here real quick, guys. We had a triple diamond rookie gem for the Ottawa Senators, Eric Condra. Quad diamond for the Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele. Triple diamond rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Ben Scrivens. We had a dual jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers and Claude Giroux. We had the hardware heroes for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jaromir Jagr. Triple diamond rookie gem for the Edmonton Oilers, Timo Hartikainen. Quad diamond for the Chicago Blackhawks, rookie gem Marcus Kruger. Quad diamond ruby parallel for the Tampa Bay Lightning out of 100, Steven Stamkos. Single diamond ruby parallel out of 100 for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Smith. Triple diamond rookie gem for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening. Dual jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, Andre Kostitsyn. Single diamond, I'm guessing that's a gold parallel for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Smith. And premier rookie for the Ottawa Senators out of 1999, Eric Condra. Thanks again for playing, guys, and hope to see you all again soon.